Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to have a topic where every people wonder that how to deal with nonsense people. So we'll have a lesson today on that, and we'll be reading about this today. So let's start. There's always one person in your life that's difficult to deal with, whether it's a family member, a colleague, or a friend. It's important to understand how to deal with difficult people which are harming your life or doing something which is inappropriate. So, see, we have 3 points here by solutions ways. That first point is listen. Second is remain calm and doesn't argue and don't argue. Third is don't judge. So, we'll go on the first point, which is listen. Some people are difficult. They're used to not being listened to. Nobody respects their opinion and tries to understand them. You'd be bitter, but to if other person treated you like this. So wipe away your judgment and focus on genuinely listening. Put yourself in their shoe. It's amazing what a small amount of empathy and respect can do. You can do it. So this is one thing that you can do to deal with these people. Second point I have is remain calm and don't argue. See, when you argue, even they will argue. See, have you ever heard to the Newton's law, third Newton's law? Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. It's similar to this. Remain calm and don't argue. See, when a person argues to you, he shouts at you. If you again shout, the conservation will go higher, higher, and many 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 minutes you'll be talking and fighting. So it's best that remain calm and don't argue. Just listen to that person. As I told you in the first point, just listen to that person. So same here you have to apply. So it's very common to get angry when dealing with a difficult person. After all, they won't agree and they're upsetting you personally and emotionally. But getting upset about it will only add fuel to the fire, as I told you. If they're a narcissist, they might even thrive on your emotional reaction. They love control and it means they're getting to you. Take a deep breath and keep your emotions in check and keep it to you. Give them the upper hand and just focus that what are you doing and what is your what is your mistake to that person and why is he arguing. So this is the second trick. And the third tip is that don't judge. It can be easy to make quick snap judgments about a difficult person. Don't judge on each other or uh, do that. Even that will start your fight more in a higher level. But these judgments and about your interactions with them and the what you from understanding them. You'll get angry before they have even said anything. Instead, give them a chance, as we many mentioned before. Listen to what they have to say. If you think that you're wrong, acknowledge that their opinion and explain why you think it it might not be correct. See, th- these are very simple things. How to deal. See, you don't have to you don't have to start the fight. You have to stop, right? You have to take these three things in your mind, and this is very important. First and second, listen and remain calm and don't argue. When you keep calm, he will think that this person is not reacting, so he will also be slowly he'll come down and be calm, and then he'll speak on the topic that why you should speak, that why why to yourself that why I'm arguing, or why I'm speaking to this person, and why am I shouting to this person. So speak to yourself, be calm, meditate. This is also a good thing, that meditate for some time, so your mind will be silent and then it will be in your normal mode. So these three are the best steps to do, and I told you. So thank you.